Human Growth Hormone by Michael Leo and Jack Ellman. HGH is received by the growth hormone receptor. The protein JAK2 then binds to the receptor. It is phosphorylized, which activates MAPK. MAPK then carries on the signal to the P90RSK. P90RSK goes into the nucleus and changes DNA transcription. Reception. HGH binds to the growth hormone receptor and stimulates a response. The receptor is a tyrosine kinase receptor. A dimer protein is formed when the HGH is received. Transduction. JAK2 binds to the receptor and is phosphorylized. MAPK then binds to the JAK2 and continues the pathway. The MAPK then passes on the signal to the protein P90RSK. P90RSK goes into the nucleus and changes the DNA's transcription by coding for cell growth and division. Response. DNA transcription is changed and will grow and divide at a greater rate. One way the pathway can be disrupted is if there is a tumor on the pituitary gland, which secretes HGH. Too much or not enough HGH could be secreted, which would cause giantism or dwarfism. Review questions. What kind of receptor is used for human growth hormone? Growth hormone receptor. Does HGH stimulate or inhibit a response? Stimulates a response. What protein changes gene expression? The protein P90RSK. What can cause a disruption in the signaling pathway of HGH? A tumor on the pituitary gland. What happens when the JAK2 protein binds to the growth hormone receptor? The JAK2 protein changes shape and is phosphorylized. Once the dimer protein is activated, what other protein binds to it? The JAK2 protein binds to the dimer protein. How does the JAK2 protein become activated? It must be phosphorylized. What is the disease caused by the pituitary gland secreting too much HGH? Giantism. What happens if the pituitary gland does not secrete enough HGH? Dwarfism is most likely to occur because you will not be able to grow.